Welcome back, and here's your tech informant. So in today's video, I'm going to explain the difference between YouTube promotions and Google Ads. I will make it very simple with practical examples, what the difference are. So now, if you're new to YouTube promotions or Google Ads, it's a platform where you pay Google to promote your content on their platforms. So we have this simple one, which is YouTube promotions, and the advanced one, which is Google Ads. So I'm going to explain them in details. So now I will start with YouTube promotions, which is the simplest way to start, running promotions on your channel or with your content. So now the options that are available in the YouTube promotions are just these basics. They are just very basic. So YouTube will ask you, the promotion will ask you, what's your main goal? Do you want audience growth? Do you want more views, or you want more visit to your website? So in most cases, you will prefer audience growth. And when you click next, it will now ask you to choose the video that you want to use for the promotions. So when you click change, it will give you the option to select any video that you want to use. You need to choose a video from your channel. Then you have this option here that will show you how it will appear. You can choose where your promotion that you want to run, where it will show the countries you want your video to appear in. You can target genders. You can choose the gender that you are targeting. You can also choose the age bracket that you want to target. Choose the interest that the audience you are targeting, the interest that they have. You can see we have different agriculture, job, air conditioner, apartment for sale, and all that. So with this, you can select the interest of the audience you are trying to target, and also the language they speak. So these are the only options that are available in YouTube promotions. So with this, when you click promote, YouTube will now use, based on the analytics of your YouTube channel or the content you have already on your channel, YouTube will now promote that video. Now, when it comes to Google Ads, it's another kind of game. So here, this is how Google Ads looks like. You can see the dashboard is somehow complex, but it's not that complex. It's just when you understand the basics, you can easily, find your way through. So, in my last video, I talked about a video that I used for promotions, and this is the analytics of that particular video. So here you can see that the video got over 1,000 views, and I spent $10. So, in my last video, I said I spent up to $30, but actually it was just about $10 that I spent. And this is the video. This is the video that I run, and I run this campaign around 2023. Now, this is the analytics of the same video. So you can see currently the video has gotten over 54,900 views, and it has gained 788 subscribers and has earned $493. Some of you will say, wow, that I spent $10 and the video have earned over $490. Well, that's not the case, please. Now I'm going to show you how Google Ads work. Let me create a new campaign. So with this campaign, we can see the basics of Google Ads, how to use paid promotion to promote your YouTube videos. So here I will choose campaign, create a campaign without guidance. Then I will choose video, and I'll go down and select YouTube subscriptions and engagement. So this particular campaign I want to start, I'm targeting YouTube subscription and engagement. So when I click continue, to now give me these options. So these are just straightforward, and I'm going to be basic about it. So here you can select how much you want to pay for each time someone click to watch your video. So here you can set it. You can set it to maybe 1 cent, or you can set it to 2 cents, depending on your budget. So here you can just go on a daily budget. Maybe you can say, okay, I want to be spending $5 every day or $10 every day. Or if you want to just choose the total amount you want to spend for the whole campaign, you can choose this. So all these options have their advantages and disadvantages. So, but I won't want to bore you with all that. Let's just go to the options. So here you can select the date range. Then coming down here, this one is for EU political ad. That is if the video you want to promote has anything to do with European Union political ads, you have to specify it here. So now the next one is devices. So now here, this option is not in YouTube promotions. So here you cannot target a particular set of devices. Like maybe if you want your ads to show only on mobile phone, you can just choose the option that, okay, I want my advert to show only on mobile devices. Or if you want it to show on TV, you select it. So whichever option you want, you can just select it. And it can even go as far as operating systems. Like for example, if you don't want your video to show to people that are using Android, you just want to target people that are using iPhone, you can come over to this operating system and then select. If you want only iOS users, just select it here. So this is how precise using Google Ads is. So Google Ads works with precision. You can narrowly target your core audience, people you really want. And then model of devices, you can go as far as choosing the kind of phones that people are using. If you want to, okay, want to target people using Samsung phones, you can just come over here, select Samsung, and you can even select the models. You can see that, okay, people using S25, you want to target only people that are using S25. So this is how narrow that you can target your audience with Google Ads. And also, interestingly, you can also target networks depending on the country you want to use. Like for example, in Nigeria, let me find Nigeria. Okay, in Nigeria, these are some of the major networks in Nigeria. So let's say, for example, I want to target only people that are on MTN network. I can just select only MTN and continue. So the video that I'll be promoting will be shown only to people that are on this network. I have this option to target a particular day or a particular time of the week. You can select a particular day of the week or a particular time of the week. Let's say, for example, your target audience are always online at a particular time of the day or at a particular days of the week. You can come here and then select the days or the time. So all these options are not available in YouTube promotions. So when I tell you that if at all you want to do paid promotion, that you should, Google Ads will be the best. You can see the difference is as like night and day. Then let me go to the ad group option. So now coming to the location, in YouTube promotions, you have the location, you select location by country. But in Google Ads, you can select location by city, by street. You can narrow down your target. Okay, for example, any target a city in Nigeria, let's say Port Harcourt. So you can see I can target the Port Harcourt town in Rivers State, Nigeria, a neighborhood in Port Harcourt. That this is a neighborhood in Port Harcourt, and you can see the map here. So I can also target another neighborhood from another city or another country entirely. So this is how precise Google Ads is. Then another thing I would like to show you here again is like the channels where you want your YouTube video, that the promotion you are running, where you want it to be shown. Like, when you use YouTube promotions, that is the one in your YouTube studio to run ads or to promote your content, you don't know where the videos is being promoted. But like with Google Ads, I don't want my videos to be promoted outside YouTube. My target audience are within the YouTube platform, not outside YouTube. So if that's the case, we can just deselect these options. And then finally, I would like to show you this part as well. Like, on YouTube promotions, you can't change the button labels. Like from here, I can change this to from learn more. I can choose another option like I can say buy now, or I can choose subscribe. So you see, so Google Ads has a whole lot of options. These are just the surface, the surface of Google Ads. There's a whole lot, and there's a way you can run your campaign, and it will seem as if you are running, it's an organic campaign. You get the point. So that is that. These are the major differences between YouTube promotions and Google Ads. Google Ads is not only for YouTube, it's also for website, for apps, and other Google platforms. I don't recommend creators using paid promotion to grow their channel or to grow their audience. Well, like you've seen, if you use YouTube promotions, you might end up not getting the right audience for your channel. But if you use Google Ads to an extent, and as you can see in the video that I promoted, I used $10 to get 1,000 views back then. Watch my last video. I explained the reason why I run this promotion. So it's not like I'm endorsing that you should use paid promotion to build your YouTube channel. So these are specifically meant for if you have something to sell, create an awareness about what you're selling on your channel or any other thing, that service you are rendering. So these are the best platform to use, that is if you are creating content on YouTube. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not yet subscribed, subscribe so that you will get useful videos from me on this channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.